Hey there everybody, get ready to have your minds blown. Adobe has done it again with a revolutionary AI-powered product that seems too good to be true. Introducing Adobe Firefly, a game-changing creative tool that's got everyone buzzing. You might be tempted to dismiss it as fake news, but trust us, this is the real deal. In this video, we'll dive into every incredible feature of Adobe Firefly, and I'll show you how it's poised to reshape the Creative Cloud landscape. Picture this, you need to transform a daytime cityscape photo into a stunning night scene with just a few words. Hey, there you have it, Adobe Firefly does it in seconds. And that's just the beginning. This thing's got features like a do not train tag to protect artists' work. So join us today because we're going to uncover the major magic behind Adobe Firefly. So fasten your seatbelts and let's embark on a thrilling journey into the future of AI-driven creativity. If you've ever tried to change an image composition in Photoshop, you know it can be quite a task. It requires you to manually select, cut, and move around different elements in the image, which can be super time-consuming and challenging for beginners, and not to mention a ridiculous waste of time for the rest of us. So picture this, you're working on a design for a client and they want to see different variations of an image composition. Now, in the past, you'd have to spend hours fiddling around in Photoshop trying to create the perfect look, but what if there was a more straightforward way to do it that didn't involve so much wasted time? Alright, now luckily, Adobe Firefly is here to save the day. With its cutting-edge AI capabilities, Firefly seamlessly integrates with the Creative Cloud ecosystem, allowing you to change image compositions using simple text prompts. Say goodbye to those tedious hours spent on manual adjustments. Those things have gone the way of the dinosaur. So how does this amazing feature benefit beginners? Well, imagine being able to type in something like move the tree to the left and Firefly does the magic for you. Now, this not only saves time, but also makes the whole process less intimidating for those just starting out. This not only saves time, but also makes the whole process less intimidating for those just starting in the world of digital art and design. It's kind of like having a personal assistant that understands your creative vision and executes it flawlessly. Now I gotta tell you, when I first tried this feature, I was genuinely 100% blown away. I used to dread having to rearrange elements in my designs, but now it's a breeze. I don't have to worry about rebuilding my entire house just to move a window to the left 6 inches. It's also really incredible how Adobe Firefly has made the once daunting task of changing these compositions so simple and accessible to everybody of all skill levels. One of the most exciting aspects of Adobe Firefly's customizable presets is the ability to create and share them with others. Just imagine having a collection of presets curated by your favorite artists and designers, which you can apply to your projects instantly. This is going to open up a whole new world of collaboration and inspiration within all the different creative communities. And with Firefly, the possibilities are truly endless. You can make presets for various adjustments such as exposure, color grading, or even more advanced effects like adding textures or simulating specific film stocks. This versatility makes Firefly an indispensable tool for any creative professional looking to streamline their workflow or enhance their artistic vision. So let's talk about one of the most significant advantages of having customizable presets in Firefly. I'm talking about the opportunity to learn from other artists. By using and analyzing the presets created by professionals, you can gain valuable insights into their creative process and techniques. This can help you grow as an artist and refine your skills, which can help you take your work to new heights without having to pay an arm and a leg to do it. And in addition to enhancing your editing workflow, Adobe Firefly's customizable presets can save you time in other ways. By using presets as a starting point, you can quickly experiment with different looks and styles without committing to hours of manual adjustments. This allows you to explore your creative boundaries and discover unique ways to express your artistic vision. It's also a really cool way of discovering brand new styles you never thought you could do. Firefly's customizable presets are just another example of how this revolutionary software is shaping the future of image editing. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting developments in the world of digital art and design. Alright, so let's dive a bit deeper into how Adobe Firefly's automated selection and masking works its magic. This is ridiculous. The AI algorithms behind this feature will analyze the image's content, will recognize distinctive elements, and will create precise selections based on those elements. Alright, this is going to allow Firefly to differentiate between various textures, shapes, and even the most intricate of details. To give you a better understanding of just how powerful this feature is, let's take a look at a real-life scenario. You're working on a project where you need to replace the background of a portrait image. Not too hard, right? Problem is though, our subject has curly hair and there are numerous strands that need to be carefully isolated from the background. Now, with traditional methods, you spend hours fine-tuning your selection to make sure every hair strand is perfectly selected, and chances are most people wouldn't even notice all the time and effort and energy you put into this task. It can be very frustrating. But with Adobe Firefly's automated selection and masking, you can achieve this once tedious task in just a matter of minutes. Think about all that extra time you saved you can then spend on other projects. Firefly's AI algorithms intelligently identify the hair strands and create an accurate mask, allowing you to replace the background effortlessly. The result? A seamlessly edited image that looks professional and polished and saves you time. Automated selection and masking in Adobe Firefly is perfect for various applications. You can use this in everything from advertising and marketing to photography and digital art. So whether you're working on product images, or you're creating composite images, or you're designing promotional materials, Firefly's AI-powered selection and masking tool will make your life a lot easier. And I just gotta say, Adobe Firefly is truly paving the way for the future of selection and masking in the creative industry. As AI technology continues to advance, we can only imagine how much more powerful and efficient these features are going to become. We're really super excited to see what other innovations Adobe has in store for us that can go above and beyond what's currently offered by Firefly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creatives. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content, exploring more groundbreaking features like Adobe Firefly. Alright, since you've shown so much interest in this incredible feature, we're going to dive even deeper into how Firefly's intelligent color grading can elevate your work to a whole new level. So buckle up and let's explore the full potential of this game-changing tool. One of the most impressive aspects of Firefly's intelligent color grading is its ability to learn and adapt to your preferences. This means the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your unique style, making the color grading process more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. It's a lot like having your own personal color grading assistant that gets smarter every single day and can help you enhance and augment your work and make it better. So let's consider a real-world example. Let's say you're a wedding photographer who wants to apply a consistent signature style to all the photos from a particular event. Adobe Firefly's intelligent color grading can analyze your reference images, understand the specific color adjustments you prefer, and then apply them consistently across the entire batch of photos, ensuring a cohesive and polished look that you don't have to spend days trying to achieve on your own. Another fantastic benefit of Firefly's intelligent color grading is the way it streamlines collaborative work. By utilizing shared custom presets, you and your team can maintain a consistent color grading style across various projects, even when working remotely. This is a particular benefit to creative agencies or larger scale productions where consistency in visual style is of utmost importance. But this intelligent color grading isn't just about perfecting your current style. It's also going to open up opportunities to explore new looks and visual directions that you never would have thought possible before. With AI-driven suggestions based on your existing work, you can quickly try out different color schemes, tones, and atmospheres to help you expand your creative horizons and discover new possibilities for your current projects. Man, talk about a journey that we've had exploring Firefly's groundbreaking features. So, just a little bit of a quick recap here. We've looked at changing image composition with text prompts, customizable presets for image editing, automated selection and masking, and intelligent color grading, and it's all powered by AI and seamlessly integrated with Creative Cloud to make your life easier, save you time, and save you big bucks. With these incredible features, Adobe Firefly has the potential to revolutionize the creative industry. It can streamline workflows, improve precision, and make once daunting tasks more accessible to creatives at all skill levels across the board. This is a great thing. So as we all know, as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovations that are going to change the future of the creative world, and we're going to be right there along with you to help bring you coverage on these things. We can't contain our excitement for what's to come. Firefly is just the beginning, and we're eager to see how it's going to evolve and what other groundbreaking features Adobe has in store for us. The future of AI in the creative industry is incredibly bright, and we're thrilled to be part of the journey with all of you. So what are you waiting for? Experience the magic of Firefly for yourself and see how it can transform your creative process. And as always, thank you so very much for joining us and taking the time out of your day to spend with us here. This has been a wonderful, exciting exploration of Adobe Firefly, and we can't wait to see how it changes the world of digital art and design. So until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep pushing the boundaries of what your imagination is capable of doing. And as always, stay posted for more great, good, fine, okay video content from us to you.